Every step we take relies on the strength of our legs and the resilience of our joints. Yet, for millions of people, swollen legs, stiff joints, and discomfort are daily struggles. Whether it's due to aging, injury, or simply wear and tear, these problems can slow us down and steal our joy. But here's a secret many overlook. The solution isn't always in pills or therapies. It could be right on your plate. Collagen, the essential protein in your body, acts like glue, holding your joints, skin, and connective tissues together. It keeps your legs strong, your joints flexible, and even your skin smooth. As we age, collagen production naturally decreases, leading to weaker joints, increased swelling, and stiffness. The good news? You can restore and boost collagen naturally through specific foods that nourish your body from the inside out. Today, I'll reveal 8 collagen-rich superfoods that not only promote joint and leg health, but also help you say goodbye to swelling and stiffness. 1. Bone broth, liquid gold for your joints. Bone broth has earned the nickname liquid gold for a reason. Made by simmering bones and connective tissue over hours, it extracts essential nutrients like gelatin, amino acids, glycine, proline, and minerals that transform into collagen within your body. These nutrients replenish joint fluid, rebuild cartilage, and reduce inflammation. A daily cup of bone broth can be your secret weapon against leg swelling and joint stiffness. You can use it as a base for soups, stews, or simply sip it warm with a pinch of sea salt. This isn't just an old wives' tale. Scientific. Studies have shown that regular consumption of bone broth can increase joint comfort, especially in those with osteoarthritis. 2. Fatty fish with skin, marine collagen marvel. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and other fatty fish are not just heart-healthy. They're joint-friendly, too. Eating these fish with the skin provides marine collagen peptides, known for their high bioavailability. This means they're absorbed efficiently, delivering targeted support to your joints. Marine collagen, primarily type 1, helps rebuild cartilage, strengthen tendons, and keep skin elastic. Plus, these fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, promote circulation, and combat leg swelling. Aim to include fish in your meals at least twice a week for maximum benefit. 3. Chicken, type 2, collagen champion. Chicken, especially the parts with skin, cartilage, and bones, is rich in type 2 collagen, the kind your body needs to build and repair joint cartilage. This type of collagen is particularly beneficial for knees, hips, and ankles, making it perfect for supporting healthy, mobile legs. Cooking methods like slow roasting whole chickens, using wings and feet in broths, or enjoying shredded chicken with cartilage can supercharge your collagen intake. If you're looking to ease leg swelling and promote cartilage regeneration, chicken is a must-have on your menu. 4. Egg whites amino acid powerhouse. Don't underestimate the humble egg white. Rich in proline and glycine, these amino acids are essential for collagen synthesis. While egg yolks contain valuable nutrients, it's the whites that specifically fuel collagen production. Adding boiled eggs, omelets, or smoothies with egg whites to your diet can give your body the raw materials it needs to maintain flexible joints and strong ligaments. This can lead to reduced inflammation and enhanced joint lubrication, 2 key factors in keeping leg swelling at bay. 5. Citrus, fruits and berries. Vitamin C collagen. Catalysts. Your body can't make collagen without vitamin C, and citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are packed with this essential vitamin. Berries, strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries are equally powerful, offering a rich blend of antioxidants that protect collagen from breakdown. Vitamin C not only boosts natural collagen synthesis, but also fights free radicals that damage joints and connective tissue. By adding a variety of citrus fruits and berries to your daily routine, you provide your body with a steady supply of collagen building, power, and natural anti-inflammatories to reduce swelling. 6. Garlic, the sulfur-rich collagen protector. Garlic isn't just for flavor. It's a natural source of sulfur, a trace mineral critical for collagen formation. Sulfur strengthens the bonds in collagen fibers, making them more resilient. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that help combat leg swelling. Whether you use raw garlic in dressings, roasted garlic in sauces, or minced garlic in sautés, this versatile ingredient can support joint integrity and protect against collagen breakdown. It's a small addition with a big impact. 7. Leafy greens, chlorophyll-packed joint guardians. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and other leafy greens contain chlorophyll, which may stimulate collagen production and provide antioxidants that protect existing collagen. They're also rich in magnesium and calcium, which are essential for muscle and bone health. Adding leafy greens to your salads, smoothies, or stir-fries not only supports collagen, but also promotes circulation and reduces inflammation, both crucial for alleviating swollen legs. 8. Nuts and seeds. Mineral-rich collagen boosters. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and sunflower seeds are excellent sources of zinc and copper, minerals vital for collagen formation and repair. These crunchy snacks also provide healthy fats that lubricate joints and promote flexibility. A handful of mixed nuts and seeds daily can supply your body with the nutrients needed to rebuild joint cartilage, strengthen connective tissues, and ease discomfort in your legs. Extra section: bonus tips for maximum collagen absorption. Eating collagen-rich foods is only half the battle. To truly support your legs and joints, focus on absorption and lifestyle choices. Stay hydrated. Water helps collagen fibers remain flexible and supports nutrient transport. Exercise regularly. Weight-bearing activities, like walking or strength training, stimulate collagen synthesis and improve joint strength. Avoid smoking and excessive sugar. These habits degrade collagen and accelerate joint wear. Conclusion: empower your legs and joints today. By incorporating these 8 collagen-rich foods into your daily meals, you can naturally rebuild your body's collagen supply, reduce swelling, and support joint health. From flavorful bone broth to refreshing citrus fruits, from nutrient-packed leafy greens to crunchy nuts and seeds, each food brings unique benefits. Don't wait for discomfort to slow you down. Start today and you'll notice stronger legs, healthier joints, and a renewed sense of vitality. Remember, your journey to a more mobile, pain-free life begins with the simple choices you make every day at your table.